Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Grant camera permission and unlock the phone. Scanning cannot start without it. Once done, open the Quick Share or Camera app and choose QR mode. This reduces steps and latency. Hold the device steady roughly 10 to 20 centimeters from the code so autofocus locks quickly, and make sure the QR sits square in the frame. That preserves data integrity and speeds recognition. If you see glare, tilt slightly to remove reflections, but keep edges visible. Once the QR is framed with all four corners visible, let the camera handle focus. Avoid digital zoom because it reduces resolution and slows decoding. You should hear a beep or see an immediate on-screen preview. That indicates the scanner parsed the payload. Read the preview slowly to confirm the URL or text and check for typos or strange domains, because this step prevents phishing or wrong file transfers. When satisfied, tap the prompt to share or open. Make sure permissions requested match the action. Complete the action by tapping share and choosing the recipient app. Watch the progress indicator until the transfer finishes. If the transfer stalls, cancel and retry, or use the preview to copy the payload manually and paste it into the destination. This saves time when auto transfer fails. Make sure to confirm that files arrived intact. If scanning repeatedly fails, clear the app cache, toggle camera permissions, and increase lighting. Those fixes resolve most recognition and connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.